Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's shop. So I got a little something out here I want to show you from RUITOOL. It sent me this, asked me to review it. And what this is a set of wood turning tools. And you got a sanding disc up here, and of course the place where the sanding disc goes. So it also has that. These handles will screw into each other. You just have to take the cap off then. And I've already done an open box on this, so I pretty well explained everything. But what I wanted to do today was actually turn a piece of wood and show you the various tools, like the square one, the round one here, and at the very end of the video I'll do the pointed one so that you can get, you know, a little decorative or a little creative with it. So, and there is the curved one for getting into the bowl. I didn't use it in the bowl that I turned, and then another square one. Now, I did the video, but I forgot that I had my camera in time lapse, so it's going to move kind of quickly. But what I want you to notice and watch for is how extremely sharp these carbide steel cutting tips are, and they're replaceable. Okay, so let's go watch that, and you'll see me work the bowl from just a raw, not even square piece of wood down to an actual bowl. And I hope you enjoy that. But again, just watch how well these tools work. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Here is the finished product. And again, with these tools, I was able to cut the tinion, and I was able to shape it round, but also shape it just a little coned. And then I was able to gouge out as much of the bowl as I wanted to. And I could have taken out some more. It's fairly thick. But again, the purpose of this was to demonstrate the tools. And then, of course, I've cut 3 grooves into it using the fine point tip there too. So all in all, just a cute little bowl. And I didn't have to do a small one, but I didn't have a large piece of stock to do a large bowl, so I did this. So all in all, this is a total thumbs up. Awesome tool. Hey, and the fact that it comes in this really nice case makes it portable for whatever reason you might need. So y'all give it a look. It worked out great for me. It works great for me. You can bet it's going to work out great for y'all. In the meantime, hey, y'all have a blessed day.